Hi student, welcome to my YouTube channel. All children can learn. I'm going to share with you the good news of your reduction of the portions, the syllabus of geometry, that is mathematics 2. So without wasting my time, I know you all are very excited to see the syllabus which have been deducted. So we'll be just seeing that. For that, first keep your textbook and pen or pencil ready with you, so that you can clearly note down the reductions, that is the sums that has been omitted for only this year, that is due to this COVID-19. There is no time to do all this sums, so they have just reduced the syllabus for you. So I know you all are excited to see the portions which have been reduced. So we'll do today, that is geometry part 2, mathematics. So directly in this, the first chapter, as we know, it is similarity. In similarity, the first 2-3 pages are there. Directly we'll go to page number 8. Page number 8, you can see I've already have done the cross section, I've done it, the cross sign I've done it. Page number 8, that is property of an angle bisector of a triangle. This theorem is totally omitted. So this theorem is continued as page number 9. So this page number 9 is also omitted completely. Okay, I'm going a little slow so that you all can note it down very clearly and without any wrong. Page number 9 is omitted. Page number 10, that is property of 3 parallel lines, is again omitted. Page number 9 and 10 is also completely omitted. Then we'll go to page number 11. In page number 11, you can see, remember this, in this there are 4 sums. First 2 is there, third and fourth is omit. So in this first chapter, that is similarity, angle bisector and parallel lines, concept of 3 parallel lines. Related to this, whichever sums are there further, so that sums have been deleted. So you have to delete this question number 3 and question number 4 in page number 11. Then we'll go to page number 12. Page number 12, again you can see here, question number 2 is omitted, question number 1 is BPT. So BPT theorem is there for you. So question number 2, you have to put a cross sign. It is not there for this year, coming this year. Then again, the next activity, that is page number 13, you can see this activity. Again, this is related to angle bisector theorem. So again, this is not there. Practice set 1.2, the first sum. Again, this sum is related to angle bisector. So this whole question number 1, sub question 3 sums are there, that is also again cancelled. That is not there, that is reduced. Then we'll go to page number 14. Page number 14, question number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I'll tell you in a very easy way, that is only question number 2 is there. Okay, question number 4 and question number 10. So 2, 4 and 10 is there in that exercise. Rest all the sums have been deleted. So question number 11 also is deleted. So again I'll repeat. See here again, that is 1.2. Question number 1. Question number 3. Question number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. Now directly we'll go to page number 28. So in page number 20, so this rest which have not been cancelled, so this all pages, that is AA test of similarity, SSS test, SAS test, this all is there. So you have to practice this all. As a portion has been reduced, so you don't think that will be, we have made it as easier for you, like, but still you have to practice and you have to do your best. As the portions are reduced, so whichever is there, you have to practice much. So directly we'll go to page number 28. Page number 28, problem set has been started. In problem set, that is page number 28, question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. Okay, till question number 10 it has been cancelled. So problem set, that is 8, 9 and 10 is not there. 8, 9 and 10. So now we have completed our first chapter. Now we'll go to our second chapter, that is Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, directly we have to go to page number 40. Without wasting my time, just go to page number 40. Page number 40 you can see application of Pythagoras theorem. Page number 40, the whole sum is been cancelled, the whole page is cancelled. Then it is continued, Apollonius theorem is not there, page number 41. Then it is continued in page number 42, again Apollonius theorem, it's not there. Then exercise 2.2, that is practice set 2.2. Again practice set 2.2, we have 5 sums. So the whole 5 sums has been reduced. See, wow, so many sums have been reduced. So these are the sums which we don't have time to do this all sums. So they have reduced it. So we should be very thankful to our Maharashtra board here. I know I can see the smiling faces. I can feel from here, from my side. Now next we'll go to problem set 2. In problem set 2, the MCQ part, the question number 6 is not there. Then directly go to page number 45. Page number 45, question number 8, 9, question number 12. Page number 45, question number 8, 9 and 12. Then page number 46. In page number 46, 17 and 18th sum. This is related to Apollonius theorem, this 2 sums. So even that is not there. Now the next chapter is circle. Circle is also one of the important chapter in geometry. In circle again we have to go to page number directly. We have to go to page number 75. Directly we have to go to page number 75 in circle. The rest all which we have seen, this you have to do. In circle page number 75, the theorem of angles between tangent and secant. Tangent secant theorem. So page number 75, page number 76, page number 77, page number 78, page number 79, page number 80 and page number 81 and page number 82. So see page number till page number 82, that is page number 75 to page number 82. Here page number 75, I'll just write it down here. Page number 75 to page number 82 is reduced. There is nothing to come. Okay, so now page number 75 to 82 next, that is problem set 3. In problem set 3, the sub question MCQ question, question number 7 is not there. Next we'll go to page number 84, you have to do all the sums. Page number 85 also you have to do all. Page number 86 also there is no sums like reduce. Now go to directly page number 87, that is 13 and 15, 16, 18, page number 88, 16 and 18. Then page number 89, 22. So these are the sums that have been reduced in chapter, circle chapter. Page number 89 we have done, that is 22. Then page number 90, that is the number that is 24 has been reduced. In geometry construction there is no reduction in any of the sum. You have to do the whole chapter. As geometry construction is very easy, each and every sums is easy, so you have to practice very nicely. Geometry construction, there is no any reduction in construction chapter. So construction you have to do the whole thing. Now we have to go to, that is coordinate of geometry. In coordinate of geometry we have to do directly, we have to go to page number 116. Page number 116, that is 116. In 116 you can see that is the slope of line. The slope of line, from there you have to cancel page number 116, 117, that is page number 116 to 121. The pages has been reduced, the sums has been reduced. So see 16, see in each and every pages have done the cross sign. So page number 116, this is page number 117, this is 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21 you are having 5.3, even that is not there. Then as we go to 22, your 5.3 exercise is continued here, 6, 7 and 8. So even that sum is not there. So you have to cross that in page number 122. So from 116 till 121, each and every page has been cancelled. It's not there. Then here, which is continued with 6, 7 and 8, even this sum is not there. Then in this page, that is page number 122, problem set 5. main question 1, the fourth one, MCQ fourth question, and the main question 2, all the three, that is the points are collinear or not, you have to prove. So that also it's not there for problem set. Now next we'll go to, that is page number 123. In page number 123, 9th and 10th one, and the 22nd. So these are the sums that has been reduced in the chapter coordinate of geometry. Now we have to go to directly page number 156. But again, in trigonometry and geometrical construction, there is no any reduction. You have to do the whole chapter. So you have to practice very nicely both the chapters. So we'll be going directly to the last chapter, that is mensuration. Page number 156. So we have come to page number 156. See, in 156, segment of circles. So where the sums are related to segment of circle, like minor segment, major segment, so this sums are not coming. So that is page number 156 completely reduced. Page number 157, page number 158, page number 159. Again in 159, practice set is there, 7.4. It's not there complete, 7.4 is omitted. Then we'll go to problem set, comes in page number 160. So that all is there, MCQ questions are there. Then in page number 161, the last sum, that is the 10th one. 10th one is not there. So this is your last sum which has been reduced from your syllabus. So I think so you all are very happy seeing this. Children, now this is the time where you have to bounce back and do your best. Okay, thank you children. Now I'll be uploading your algebra, science 1 and science 2, and even for 9th standard I'll be uploading. So you all can give some comments in my comment box. If there is any queries, I'll be very happy to solve that. Thank you children. Bye.